How to turn on or off views notifications on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off views notifications on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee, and once you are here, click on those three lines up there and click on setting at the bottom, and now scroll down until you find notifications on general options. Click on it, and here you can turn on or off your views notifications. So it notifies how many times your posts have been viewed. You can turn on or off this option wherever you are comfortable with, so you're not gonna receive notifications. If you turn off this option, you're not gonna receive notifications how many times your posts have been viewed. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.